Let's talk about how to enable volume control on your iPhone lock screen. So there are a few things you should know about, of course. Then at first you need to enable Control Center on iPhone lock screen. So if you go inside of your settings and then inside the Face ID and passcode section, obviously if you have an older iPhone, then it's going to be Touch ID and passcode. And in there, you have the allow access when locked section, and you just want to make sure that the control center is toggled on. This means that you can always just access the control center where the toggle for volume is always located, right? Another thing you should pay attention to is the version of your iOS, because since iOS 18.2, the volume control is also appearing on the lock screen as part of the music widget. So you want to essentially just ensure that you run the latest version you can, because it's been added with that one. Also, you need to pay attention to what kind of music or audio you're playing, right? Because essentially just check for active media playback. This means that the volume control is going to appear on the lock screen only if some sort of music, or it can also be a podcast or a video, is actively playing on your iPhone, right? Otherwise, it has nothing to do in there. So just start playing some sort of music or like a video or something, and then it should already appear on the lock screen. So if that doesn't work, try restarting the iPhone. But yeah, let me know below if it's all good. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna see you guys later in the next video.